Most revered Secretary Mataji, esteemed Chief Guest of the day, Mr. Anil Kumar ji, Deputy Director of Education, District South, Ms. Jyoti Kalra ji, DURCC South Zone, Mr. B.N. Dubey ji, our trainer for the day, whose expertise we all know, Mr. Pilot Meena ji, Block MIS Zone 23, Ms. Jyoti Kanodia ji, Block MIS Zone 24, our cluster resource coordinators, Prem Sheila ji, Ms. Babita June ji, Ms. Vibha Mago ji, Ms. Shilpa Singh ji, Ms. Shabnam ji, Ms. Ritu Sharma ji, Mr. Sanjay Kumar ji, and representatives of all participating schools present here. Namaskar. I extend a very hearty welcome to all of you. It is our privilege to host today's APAAR Orientation Workshop. This is a very special day as it marks the beginning of an interesting journey through the APAAR Orientation, where we all have the opportunity to enhance our technical skills and collaborate for the betterment of our schools. I sincerely hope that each one of you will make the most of this training session by engaging wholeheartedly, asking relevant questions and sharing your learning feedback. The APAAR training will not only enhance our technical skills but will also promote a collaborative environment. This will reduce our reliance on the traditional methods, which will lead to a more effective approach to education and assessment. So, let us enrich our technical knowledge and create an atmosphere of mutual growth that will significantly impact our educational landscape. Once again, welcome to all dignitaries, trainers and participants. May this training session be fruitful, inspiring and transformative for all of us. Jai Hind.